Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to customize my home screen. So basically I would like to customize it simple and easy. You see that on my home screen right now there will be a lot of folder here and it's a bit crowded and I cannot work fast for it because I need to open the folder to find the applications here. So I would like to remove all of the folders and applications from my home screen. So the way how we can remove it, just need to tap into this folder and you just need to go tap into the remove folder. Don't forget to confirm that you want to remove from the home screen, and I will let you do the rest, and we will do the next step later whenever my actions here is done. I will let you remove like every single folder here just to arrange or rearrange the applications that I need for my daily activity. I'll let you let the settings stay there, and I only have this one is the widget and the other one is the application. Now to add the super necessary application, which is the social media of Instagram. So I'll let you go click and hold, and then you just need to swipe it and then just need to place into the specific area that you want. You can do for the rest, guys. What application that you will use the most, you just need to go tap, hold and drag it to add it into the home screen. So you can just do the rest for your necessary application. And I would like to add more widgets, so you just need to tap into the blank area of your home screen and then I'll be like this type of option of the application will start to be shaking, and I want to go click this plus button to access more widget. Now just need to like scrolling down and find the widget that you need here. I'll let you find weather to understand what weather that predict by the system for every single days surrounds me, and you just go click at the widgets and place the widget into the specific area that you want here. I'll let you do it like this, and you can just do for the rest, guys. So that's for the first or the basic steps to customize your home screen. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you need more tutorial, just drop into the comment section and let's meet again to other tutorial.